Here's what I was thinking today, because I meet and hear so many people talking about the goals that they want to accomplish and how much time it'll take. And then 99% of the time they set a date further out to start working toward achieving it. So, for instance, you want to lose 20 pounds. No, a lot of people want to lose 20 pounds. So what they'll do, today's the 1st. All right, I'm going to start on the 15th, so I'll have everything together. Now, you know, to start losing this 20 pounds, you're going to have to change the way that you eat. You're going to have to allot time to be a lot more active. You're going to have to know what to do to be more active and to have a plan of action for that makes sense, that you can stick to. These are some of the components of losing the 20 pounds. You're going to need somebody to keep you accountable. If you're a person that has low motivation or you're a procrastinator, hence it's the 1st, you wait until the 15th. You got to plan all of this stuff and get it together and then hit the ground running. For some people, that's difficult. So here's what I say do. Don't focus so much on the big goal of preparing and getting started. Why don't you do this? Set incremental goals up to the 15th. If you're still going to go ahead and cast it out to the 15th, because most of you are going to do that no matter what I say. You're going to procrastinate and wait. But let's say today's the 1st, you're going to start on the 15th. Here's what you can do. Start putting together the small parts of it in preparation instead of trying to start on the 15th and overwhelming yourself trying to do all these things. Number 1, find that accountability partner that's going to hold you accountable. Whether it be a friend, family member, or even better, hire a trainer or a coach that's going to be paid and invested, and they have a responsibility to hold you accountable and check on you and make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing and putting a foot in your behind if you're not. Number 2, you can start researching foods that are going to be better for your diet, for your health, and for your progress. Open the notes app on your phone and start writing down foods, preparing to go shopping. Number 3, you can start figuring out what kind of activity is going to be good for what your goal is and help you be productive, and especially things that you're going to enjoy so that you can stay motivated to whatever level that you can motivate yourself. Because if you're doing things that you don't enjoy, you're not going to stick with it. It's going to be miserable. It's going to feel like a chore. You're not going to have any fun. So let's make it fun. Find some activities that you can do, exercises, workouts, leisure activities, whatever it is that you can enjoy that will help you make progress. These are small things that you can do in 30 seconds to 5 minutes, sitting on your couch, eating dinner, eating a snack, whatever you do. This is my suggestion. Start with the small things to get prepared, things that don't take a lot of time and don't require a lot of heavy lifting. And then by the time the 15th comes, you just have a few things to put in place and then you hit the ground running. All right, that's my advice. This is Coach Rob from Super Fit. Have a wonderful day. Keep achieving your personal best.